Installing a system board assembly. Before replacing the components now shown on screen, check the heatsink type of the system to be serviced. If it is a liquid-assisted cooling module, you will need a module handle. If you are replacing the system I/O board, install the firmware and ROT security module and micro SD card that were removed from the old system I/O board onto the new system I/O board. Install the system I/O board on the processor board. Align the system I/O board with the connector on the processor board and use both hands to slightly insert the system I/O board into the connector. Fasten the screws to secure the system I/O board. Install the system board. Hold the lifting handles and slide the system board to the rear of the server until it snaps into position. Install the following components on the system board. Install the top cover.